Welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off headphone notifications on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first, go to Settings. In the settings, scroll down and click the Sounds and Haptics. Then, in the Sound and Haptics, click the Headphone Safety. Then, in the Headphone Safety, you will see a switch button on the right side of the headphone notifications. Then, all you have to do is turn it on to enable the headphone notifications. When the headphone notification is on, it helps to protect your hearing. Your iPhone will measure the headphone audio levels. If you exceed the recommended 7-day limit, a notification is sent and the volume is turned down. And if you want to turn off the headphone notifications, then press again the switch button to disable. And that's it. We have successfully turned on and off headphone notifications on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!